Want to overlay images in Elementor? In this quick guide, I'll show you how to stack and style images for a layered, eye-catching effect, perfect for giving your website a modern touch. But before we show you the process, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you find this helpful. Now, start by opening your browser and heading to your WordPress dashboard. From the left menu, go to Pages, and then All Pages. Then pick the page you want to edit. I chose the home page. Then click Edit with Elementor. In the Elementor editor, select the image you want to work with. Right-click and choose Duplicate. This creates a copy, and the left panel will switch to Edit Image. Now drag the duplicated image next to the original. Go to the Advanced tab and under Margin, set top, right, and bottom to 0. Set only the left to a negative value like -450 to begin overlapping. Next, head to the Style tab and adjust the width. I set it to 75. This makes the top image a little smaller. Right-click the image again, duplicate it, and repeat the steps. This time, use a different left margin, say -500, and adjust the width to be slightly larger. Now you have 3 versions of the same image stacked with different sizes, creating a stylish, collage-like look. Once you're happy with the layout, click Publish. When you preview the page, you'll see your layered images in action, way cooler than just a single picture. So like this, do you want to craft designs like a pro? Elementor is my essential tool for that, and you can start exploring it now through the affiliate link below. That's it. Like, subscribe, and share if you want more design tricks. See you in the next one.